Hello everyone, today I am Harshit Khare of Civil Engineering final year student here to present my presentation on the topic Polavaram Dam project. So in this presentation we will discuss the details through slides. So our first slide, table of contents. So the table of contents shows the topics to be discussed in the presentation. So these are as follows. First is introduction, then need for Polavaram project, history of Polavaram project, construction, technical specifications, technology used, challenges, solutions, advantages, then finally conclusion. Now, first is introduction. In introduction, this dam is being constructed for irrigation facilities and to generate hydroelectric power of 960 megawatt. It is built across Godavari River in West Godavari districts, Andhra Pradesh state. And do you know guys, the capital of Andhra Pradesh? It is Amravati. It is being constructed under the scheme of Ministry of Jal Shakti by Government of Andhra Pradesh. The estimated cost of Polavaram project is around 55,548.87 crores. And in the right side, all of you are able to see the picture of Polavaram irrigation project. And uh, you are also able to see the spillways to be constructed here, and they would be 48 in numbers. Now, what is the need for Polavaram Dam project? It is designed to overcome the deficit in water and supplies the drinking water to 13 districts of Andhra Pradesh, harness the waters of the Godavari River and its tributaries for irrigation, diversion of 80,000 million cubic feet of water to Krishna River basin for irrigation, to generate hydroelectric power of 960 megawatt to control floods of a written period of 500 years. Now, what is the history of Polavaram project? So, the first conceptual proposal was made in 1941 by Madras Presidency. The project was proposed in 1980 by Chief Minister of Andhra Pradesh T. Anjay. In 2004, the government of Andhra Pradesh sanctioned 1,320 crores for right canal and 1,353 for left canal. And Navyog Engineering Company Limited, this is the private company, is responsible for constructing the project. Now guys, in the picture you all are able to see the mouth of the Godavari river. So, and also you are able to see in the red color, canal goes to the Visakhapatnam and one canal goes to the right side of the river which joins the Krishna basin. So the left canal goes to Visakhapatnam and right canal goes to the Krishna basins. And left canal is in the direction of East Godavari and right main canal is in the direction of West Godavari. So come to the next slide. This is another image for of map of Polavaram project. So Polavaram right canal, which is the having a length of 174 kilometer. This is Ferry Blaze and this is Patti Seema. Okay, and National Highway 65 passing across the canal, which is the right main canal through Godavari River. Now come to construction. In this project, a dam and two canals are to be constructed in Andhra Pradesh. A dam is to constructed to generate the hydroelectricity of 960 megawatt, which we have discussed already, and water reservoir capacity of 194,000 million cubic feet. Now, this reservoir water is used for irrigation of total cultivable area of 1,39,740 hectare and for drinking water supply of 23.44 thousand million cubic feet. Diaphragm wall for ECRF dam. Do you know ECRF dam? Earth cum rockfill dam. Damaged by flood and gaps left in coffer dam. This is the status of the construction of diaphragm. But due to these damages, repair work is going on. Now, jet grouting for coffer dams over a 3 kilometer stretch in columns in the shape of columns of 2 meter diameter and up to a depth of 20 meter has done by Keller India. Keller India means a company who is going to done this by jet grouting, right? And also in the right side, this is a picture of U/S coffer dam. It means upper stream coffer dam, whose length given is 2364.6 meter. Right. Now come to the next slide. The upper the upper coffer dam work for dry work environment has completed. The lower coffer dam grouting is under construction. Right. Right bank canal works are 90% completed, while the left bank canal head works are under construction. It means it is just started, right? Right bank canal is created to provide irrigation benefits in the upland areas of Visakhapatnam, East Godavari, West Godavari, and Krishna district. Hydroelectric power plant is under construction. It means it is not at constructed. ECRF dam is under construction. It is a final conclusion, right? Now we have discussed in the previous one coffer dam. So many students can have the doubt what is the coffer dam. So for them, a temporary structure which creates dry work environment by keeping water and soil out of an excavation. So it is a temporary structure which is built at upstream side and downstream side of a river to protect the dry place for the dry work environment, right? In the right side you are able to see the canal. It is right canal, right main canal. Right main canal means it a canal directly join the river, right? So it is main canal. Now come to next slide, technical specification. So in the technical specification, length of dam is 3,722 meter. It is the length of dam and height is 39.28 meter. The reservoir is an impoundment for the Godavari River. Impoundment means it receives the water from Godavari, right? Godavari River. 12 Kaplan type turbines, each with a capacity of 80 megawatt, is fitted on the left bank of the dam. The dam has soot spillway. It is a type of spillway. It is generally made for gravity type dams, right? So soot spillway, it can control a very large amount of water up to 36 lakhs cubic feet per second. When the water level is 140 feet above the average sea level, it is the condition for which the dam is going to be made. The reservoir created by the dam covers a vast area of 600 kilometers square. The active capacity of the Polavaram reservoir is 175,000 million cubic feet above the 25.4 meter mean sea level crest level of spillway. The inactive capacity of the reservoir is 19,000 million cubic feet below 25.4 meter mean sea level. Maximum water depth of reservoir is 32.08 meter. The catchment area of the reservoir is 3 7,800 kilometers square. Now, technology used. So, jet grouting, soil stabilization used in coffer dam foundations, plastic concrete diaphragm wall was used beneath the earth cum rock fill dam, that is ECRF, right? So, then soot spillway used in the project, already discussed. 12 vertical coupling turbines with a capacity of 80 megawatt are installed at the Polavaram hydroelectric power station. We faces we are facing challenges in constructing this project. So these challenges are like as the project is expected to displace around 4 lakh people and submerge 3,731 hectares of forest land. So submerge 3,731 hectares of forest land. It means many habitats of many species are going to be destroyed. The project cost was brought down from 527.53 crore to 459 crore through reverse tendering. So reverse tendering leads to the decreasement of the cost of the product. So anyone can have the doubt that what is reverse tendering. So the project owner initiated the process by publicly inviting contractors and suppliers to submit their cost estimates. That is called reverse tendering. So the lowest bidder or the one offering the best terms is then awarded the contract. So in this way, that is reverse tendering, the cost brought down to 459 crore, right? Till date, the Andhra government has not found a financier for the project. Work on rehabilitation has stopped due to funds crunch. Then we also have the solutions. The provisions of housing infrastructure for education, road, drinking water, electricity, hospital are made, and also extending remunerative economic rehabilitation support. State government has been urging the centre to approve the revised cost estimates for the Polavaram project, which is pegged at 55,657 crore. State negotiated with Austrian government. What is the capital of Austria? It is Vienna, and it is situated in which continent? It is situated in Europe continent. So state negotiated with Austrian government for loans, but the central center refused to be the counter guarantor. The Andhra government has now approached to the World Bank and US Exim Bank. Right? Now, what are the advantages we will get after preparation of this dam? That is Polavaram Dam. Irrigation assured of 2.914 lakh hectares. Power generation of 3,100 million units annually. ठीक है 23.44 thousand million cubic feet of assured water supply to Visakhapatnam city. Diversion of 80,000 million cubic feet of Godavari waters to Krishna River at Vijayawada facilitates water navigation from Polavaram to Visakhapatnam. Facilitates navigation means vessels can be go through the water, that is water navigation from Polavaram to Visakhapatnam. Development of tourism and pisciculture and creation of recreational facilities behind the urbanization. Then finally we have some conclusion that is very important part of this presentation. This project is an under construction. It is not yet constructed completely. So project is an under construction multi-purpose. So all of you have already know that. So multi-purpose irrigation project on the Godavari River in the Elluru district and West Godavari district. It is the exact location in Andhra Pradesh. The project is expected to be completed by December 2025 as only 73.69% of the works are completed. The cost of construction could go even higher as the construction of a new diaphragm wall has been proposed. So this is our presentation on Polavaram Dam project. I hope you like my presentation. If you like, I would be grateful. Thank you and have a nice day.